Yeah. So with the information at our disposal, eba problem ebe a nwere na awụ nwede ebe bụ mmiri aga. O nwere a lake a nwere ebe a na-akpọ ụzọ iyi. When I was hearing about ụzọ iyi echekwa more river. Na nwere river na around. Ọ na-aga m na no a lake and the one of far ebe a na-akpọ Abayi Ogbuleba. Yes, Abayi Ogbuleba. We're gonna have the chance. We'll also be going to that side to show you. So meaning that this is Asama to Abayi Ariaria. Aga ma hụkwa na ọhịa acha some of the reason mere ji dịka emere abandon nwe chọrọ area kemgbe. The problem of where to channel the flooding has always been the situation that has always been difficult to fix this road. But His Excellency Dr. Lesioma Oti Ebidolania, so I pray God will always give him the strength, the wisdom to tackle this very project and also carry along, defeat this ugly situation. So this is on the edition of Kebu TV. So whatever possible, we'll be going to that a lake to show you guys how it is. To maybe round up our report from there. Una Holland and Camerele me. And a me igbo na eziokwu those name. So only like her name. Give us a thumb up, comment, share, and also ask your question. Yeah, ever goes on million ever so much. So we'll try to balance our report by going towards that see buildings neighbor. Some of them have been submerged by this flooding. If you look at the ground now, and military can be yesterday. So on getting this level of flooding in this environment means that whenever it rains, look at the drainages, it's fully flooded. This is problem. I sense danger. This is real trouble. I pray that won't fall inside this gutter because Abraham Moro and better report for him. Abraham even make anybody or equal against anybody. This is where I packed. This is my faith. This is what I love doing. This is my job. So stay tuned on Kebu TV for more information. Stay blessed. Yeah, so still on the report from Ariaria. So even Ubana or Abayi Ogbuleba leading to the should I use the word canal or a lake where most of the flooding along the Abayi area and its environment is being channeled to. So I can have a drainage and I will this area be drainage road and it's not gonna be easy for residents and also people around this environment because of again higher flood, the higher force of nature in this very place. And the other kind of a lake, kind of uzi, but I don't use the word uzi. So I don't know how to access the area, but be it as it may, you can see, yes, you can see the buildings around here. The Uzi, now their faces, now their as address. Yeah, this is Uzi per se, number 18. Uzi, when you hear Uzi, if you don't know a natural, this is a lake. Lake, yeah. Mmiri just na agbakọta ebe so ha kpozi ya Uzi as the case may be. So you can see the also there's a access the area. So ebe a ka ebu mmiri niile nọ na this axis na abịa. So I don't know how it's going to work, but I believe that our channel, if properly channeled, or if properly utilized, it can as well serve the purpose because this Abayi area axis really has been flooding has been always been the challenge. Yeah, flooding has always been the challenge, and you can as well see then well some visible dumping of refuse in around this environment. This is the Sunday edition of Kebu TV. Then Sunday, the 25th day of March, 23rd day of March, 2025. As a Kaberuta Eba, Uzi Anano. Look at it, let me zoom so that you can make what I have. These are people's land. Yeah, people's land, and there's nothing they could do. There's nothing they can do about it. For now, everywhere fully covered with flood, and I believe the dredge poor more. Because so as time goes on, as long as that work is concerned, the organic more serious and more severe, organic more deep, and organizing the more flooding like this environment. So it's now left for government to do the needful by dredging it more. You can see even no obodo mepere emepe nweta ga-esi mezie ebe a sef ebe a ọrụ ebe a ga-anọ na-abịa abịa have fun elepụ anya just like a four basin. Yes, etu ebe a ga-abịa ebe ede ọsị ma mmiri na-eje ka ya chọrọ onwe ya ụlọ, so maybe abịa this axis na ebe a ebe kacha dị ala, and ozi ebe mmiri a chuzuru ọ ga na-abịa directly with or without you stopping it. Ebe a ka ọ ga na-abịa on its own. So as a Caribbean today, bebe hụ si na aga, and the word uzi ka ha gwa n'ebe uzi ya na ewu nke agbakwara agbawo. I'm gonna be uzi ya hala how it is. Ewu nke agbakwara agbawo ka achabala m n'anya. So I'm gonna get uzi ya gong so he bu anyị bịa all the way to this Abayi Ogbuleba. To show the people how they go. I'm on the bank about the drainage now to channel most of the challenging flooding on this Abayi area and the east environs to this place. And I also see notable buildings in around this environment on Konye. So Ike. And so many buildings around this axis, so we'll also be going out to where we see video. No, anaga. God will surely see us through. God will surely see us through. It has not been an easy task. Most of the things you see, you watch on this very platform. And I may post here, send the Aram. Yeah, whatever we do is what we go and evaluate and confirm ourselves. So, stress, that is why when I talk about people who subscribe, will help by subscribing to our membership fan page. So that one little token now, I will now facilitate our movements, both in fuel and other logistic. They're very, very important. For that now, water. How stress for this job. If you see this kind of bag I'm carrying, all my tools are in my bag, and it's really weighing me down. I'm really struggling to trek because this place is not motorable. You can't drive in this environment. I'm forcing myself so that I can be able to trek from where I parked to the site where I'm going to cover. This, I've not even eaten much today. That's a sacrifice. That's what this job, the calling, what this job requires, most times has not been an easy task. But God, who started this, will always give us the strength to embark on it. So stay tuned for more jigs, stay tuned for more information. So Looking around, you also see the drainage. Even the car roller, even the cable, this is the drainage going to the Uzi, and this is flowing from that Abayi. You can as well see the cement mixer, not by the side, the extreme end here. Yeah, you can see the cement mixer, standby. So they are still working, and also some chipping none of this environment. So they are working very, very well to get this work done. So anyone around just to be showing you how it is, the speed of work, and what have been achieved so far. So keep it on Cable TV, and also always like, comment, and share. Yeah, so rounding up our reports for today, being Sunday, the 23rd day of March 2025. We are reporting certainly right now na Abayi Junction, yes, and also Mangwa local government. I told you guys that I'm going to here. Here, Abayi will link to a lake. Yes, we are all the flooding around Abayi area. Asama and its environs. It's very, very close to the Roman Catholic Church. This popular Roman Catholic Church, St. Mary's Abayi Ariaria, leading to the express road. So this is the road leading to that Obuleba, where the contractor Tunnel Ends Construction Company did their drainage. You can see the drainage road here, where they were able to channel the flooding. So, but with what I see here, it's not an easy stuff. Yes, flooding. So we can also see their primary health care, the condition of their primary health care, and also where it was situated. So all the flooding temporarily, all the flooding now, and again, I don't know the number of the kilometers. And this is Abayi area the axis. But the same area. So another riverland area now around this place, or a borrow pit where they will be able to channel all this flooding. So it's going to be very difficult. It's going to be very tasky. It's going to be very, very hard. Yeah, because development is coming and buildings are springing up on daily basis. So it means that as time goes on, people living around this area, when this lake maybe cause another problem. So how is the contractor handling this project will also be around to see by himself what road users and also people living around this vicinity are passing through because of the excessive flooding. This is what I saw here just a few minutes ago today, but I have been here since morning. After the heavy downpour, this is the result. I believe, or also because I know what I saw when I came. So this is also a road leading to that very Uzi, yes, popularly known as Uzi. All the millionaire around this axis, as all this vicinity or all this area here, so as before my Allah, I will be able to bring out this report so that our people will be able to see. So if there's any other information, we will also be bringing to your table. And if there's any other question you needed to ask, you're also free to drop in your question here at Cable TV. This is the Sunday edition of Cable TV. So stay tuned for more G's.